In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve a permanent limitation on your PayPal account. These limitations can be incredibly frustrating, especially if you rely on PayPal for regular transactions, so let's walk through the process to have this limitation removed efficiently. First, you need to get to the PayPal website. Simply open your preferred web browser and head over to paypal.com. Once you're there, you'll see the familiar homepage. Your next step is to log into your account, so go ahead and click on the login button located in the top right corner of the page. This will direct you to a page where you can input your login details. Enter your email address and your password into the respective fields. Remember to double check these details to avoid any errors that might prevent you from signing in. Assuming everything is correct, click on the login button once more to access your account. Now that you're logged in, the next thing you should do is scroll down to the bottom of the homepage. Here you'll find the contact link. Click on this link to proceed to the contact options. This is where you can find the necessary tools and support to address account limitations. Among the contact options, look for the Call Us option and click on it. Calling PayPal allows you to speak directly with a representative who can assist you in lifting the limitation on your account. Before you place the call, be aware that you will need a one-time passcode. This passcode is crucial for verifying your identity and ensuring that the service can proceed swiftly. Make a note of the passcode as you'll need to input it when prompted during the call. Getting in touch with PayPal's support team via phone is typically the fastest way to resolve these kinds of issues, so expect to provide necessary security information during your call. Keep any relevant information handy to make the process as smooth as possible, and remember that a little patience goes a long way. By the end of the call, you should have clear information on the status of your account and any further steps that may be required on your part. Following this process diligently can help you resolve the permanent limitation on your PayPal account in around 5 minutes, assuming everything proceeds without a hitch. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps get your PayPal account back on track quickly and efficiently. If you found this information useful, feel free to share it with anyone you know who might be facing similar issues. Until next time, take care.